Welcome back. The suicide rate in Goa is higher than the average of India. The Mental Health Foundation has taken up the issue of increasing suicides in Goa. The foundation is observing World Suicide Prevention Week from 3rd to 10th September.
The Kuj Mental Health Foundation is observing the World Suicide Prevention Week from 3rd to 10th of September. The week-long program of awareness was inaugurated on Monday. The Health Minister has expressed a lot of concern over the alarming rate of increase in the number of suicides in Goa. The Health Minister, Lakshmikant Parrikar, has welcomed suggestions from the Mental Health Foundation after the week's program on how to control suicides in Goa.
आत्महत्या किंवा सुइसाइड हो गोव्याक समोर उबे असलेले एक मोठे आव्हान आसा अशें हांव म्हणन. एक गोष्ट जेतूर जी एकूण ह्या गोव्याक फाटी व्हरणारी आसा आनी ती म्हणजे आत्महत्या प्रकरण. म्हाका दिसता इन्स्टिट्यूशनाचे व्हडलेपण मोठेपण हे पर्संटेजीर एड्युकेशनल पर्संटेजीचेर किंवा फायनल एग्जामीच्या पर्संटेजीर ठरचें न्हय तर हाव वेल द कावन्सिलींग इज बीइंग डन इन दॅट इन्स्टिट्यूशन इज इम्पॉर्टंट. आनी कावन्सिलिंगाक तशें जी एम्फसीस दिवंक जाय त्या प्रकारची एम्फसीस दिली वचना.
The Health Minister has also expressed the need of counselling at the school and college level. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has expressed need to improve electronic media technology for a digital network and telecast through satellites. He was speaking during the function held at Kala Academy on the occasion of the first anniversary of Electronic Media Journalists Association of Goa.
म्हाका अशें दिसता की ते केबल नेटवर्क आतां पुरो. Let us go on digital, either digital network or a satellite platform. बसतले तेन्ना हो एक विशय करण्याची गरज आसा तुमचे बरोबर.
Electronic Media Journalists Association of Goa completed its maiden year on Monday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Chairman of Kala Academy Vishnu Surya Wag, Director of Information and Publicity Swapnil Naik, Goa Union of Journalists President Pandurang Gaokar, and General Secretary of Photojournalists Association Rosario Estebero were present for the function. Chief Minister feels that being audiovisual, electronic media creates more impact than the print media, and hence reporting should be proper and with care.
Actual correct news जर तू समाजाक पावूंक शकले तर समाजाच्या आंगान एक अत्यंत चुकीची गोष्ट घुसपाक लागली ती म्हणजे जस्ट स्पेक्युलेशन्स ती खंय तरी थांबतली. ती स्पेक्युलेशन्स थांबण्याची आवश्यकता आणि एज्युकेशन ऑफ द सोसायटी हे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडियाचे एक महत्वाचे भाग आहात बिकॉज यू हॅव अ पॉवरफुल रीच देन द प्रिंट मिडिया. प्रश्न कितें विचारपाचें हाजें एक ट्रेनिंग एसोसिएशनान चालू करूंक जाय जाका तुमकां प्रिंट मिडियावाले उपयोग पडटले तांचे कडेन सिनियर मनीस आसा.
A senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent Media.
Incessant rainfall in Goa has brought misery to the Chodankar family in Sirsai. A wall of the house of Ramchandra Chodankar at Kopelwada in Sirsai collapsed on Friday. The Mamladar of Bardes, Pundalik Khurjumekar, has assured assistance to the family.
This happened on Friday in the afternoon. The Chodankar family was sitting to have lunch when they heard a gushing sound. The wall of the house came down heavily. No one was hurt in the tragedy, however the family is unhappy with the loss. They have asked for government's assistance to build the wall.
पावस पडलो 4 दिसांक लागून तेका कितें जालें फुगलें कशें कितें जालें आमकां कांय कळोंक ना कोणाकूच कांय कळोंक ना कशें कितें जालां तें.
पयलीं फूग बी येयल्ली
ना फूग बी येवंक नासली तेन्ना बरें आसलें तें 4 दिसांक पावस पडलें ना तें जालें तें.
आनी कितें जालें कोणाक
काय ना अकस्मात पडलें न्हू तें.
Mamladar of Bardes, Pundalik Khurjumekar, reached to the site with rescue squad and assessed the loss.
आमकां मेसेज येयली की एक हावस वॉल कोलॅप्स जाला म्हणून. ते वॉल कोलॅप्स जावन आमी आमची सगळे टीम घेवन येवन तेजें इन्स्पेक्शन बीन केलां. पंचनामा केल्लो आसा आनी एप्रोक्सिमेटली 50-75,000 लॉस जाल्ले आहा तांकां. एक भिंत कोसळ्ळिली तेजो रिपोर्ट आमी फॉरवर्ड करतले गव्हर्मेंटाक. हय गव्हर्मेंटाक आमी फॉरवर्ड करतले.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent Media.
And now look at the other events in the state.
Margao municipality is all set to introduce a new system of garbage collection. 16 to 17 municipalities had attended a seminar in Aurangabad recently to chalk out steps to solve garbage menace.
जे कचरो आहा जे गार्बेज आहा वेट आनी ड्राय ते आमी विकत घेवपाची विकत म्हणल्यार एक 10 पैसा पर केजी.
A 2-day camp was organized at Gaon Dongri to educate people on various schemes provided by the government which are easily available to the people. District Collector informed that they received a good response by the people at the camp.
Not responding the scheme may be 3 basic reasons. Number 1, people not aware of the scheme. Number 2, maybe lengthy process. And number 3, maybe non-cooperative attitude of employees involved in the implementation of the scheme.
Adolescent Health Academy is reaching to the root level through its various branches and are conducting seminars training students, teachers and parents. It is recorded that Goa has reduced maternal mortality rate, thereby increasing health care and antenatal care to mothers.
By the end of this 5-year plan, we propose to bring it down to 8.
Mistake.
Which is certainly a big challenge.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for another short break. News from sports when we come back. Stay tuned.